So you might be in a situation where your particular JLAB headphones just aren't going through and they're not turning on. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The very first thing that we would recommend doing is to go through and make sure your headphones are completely charged up. There's a humongous chance that your headphones are probably dead. So what I'd recommend doing, what everyone would recommend doing, is to go through and charge up your headphones. So find your charging, cable at the bottom. So you can go through and find this cable. If you have these ones, you can plug them into straight to a device, whatever device you have, and let them sit there for a couple of minutes, or maybe like even 10, 15, 20 minutes. That is going to be one of the main ways to go and kind of fix this problem, because you might have just ran into that type of issue. So try going through, charge up your particular, headphones that way, and that might be the way to go and fix it for you. If that ends up fixing it, then great. If that doesn't end up doing it, what you might want to try doing is you might want to try cleaning up your charging, your charging areas where this particular headphones charge. So try going through these little port selection parts right here. Try completely cleaning them out. Sometimes you might just have to do that. Same thing with this area. Try doing the same thing. Try cleaning them out. If that's not working, you might want to try going through and you might want to see if there's another issue going on. Maybe the charging cable is not working. Maybe there's a problem with that. So you might want to go and make sure that that's not a problem here either. So that pretty much covers it up here. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, till then.